I spy something around Matt's neck. Oh boy, do I have some really fun news for you related to this. But before we get to this, why do we care that there's something around Matt's neck? I'm not going to explain how so as to avoid spoilers, but I will say that by the end of The Shadow Rising, Book 4 of the Wheel of Time, Matt Cauthon comes to possess 2 very unique items. Well, 3, if you include his hat that ultimately becomes his signature look. One of the items is a weird spear, known as an Ashendari, and one of them is a silver foxhead medallion. Because Matt acquires the silver foxhead medallion and the Ashendari in memorable fashion, book readers were distraught when Matt crafted a wannabe Ashendari out of the cursed dagger in Season 2. Let's just say we're hoping that that is not going to replace this. And if it was meant to replace this, then book readers assumed there would be no foxhead medallion because he acquires them in the same place. Well, let me tell ya. There is a horizontal version of the photo in question, and in that horizontal version, Matt Cauthon is wearing something very specific around his neck. The sleuths at WoT series noticed this and gave us a nice zoomed-in photo. That, to me, looks like a silver foxhead medallion necklace, which to me means we might get the proper Ashendari, and we might get the foxhead medallion, and we might get the scenario in the books that he got them in. Now, it may not be exactly the same, especially because it looks like Matt is headed to Tanchico and not the Aiel Waste, which is different from his arc in the books. But if it's anything like what it is in the books, it's gonna be so much fun. Let's just admire it one more time and get hyped. Do you think this is a sign of a certain Matt plot that happened in the books happening in the show? Let me know in the comments. And follow for more Wheel of Time content.